Meghalaya Sports and Youth Affairs Minister Banteidor Lyngdoh today accorded a warm send-off to the team members of Ryntih Sports and Cultural Club, who are all set to participate in the second division Hero I League Qualifiers, which will take place in Bangalore from October 4th to 25th, 2021. The program, organized by the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of Meghalaya, was held at the VIP gallery at the Jawaharlal Nehru Sports Complex, Polo. Speaking on the occasion, Banteidor Lyngdoh reiterated the need to revive the football scene in the state, lamenting the fact that many football clubs of the state have not been able to sustain themselves over the years due to financial constraints. He said that the lack of government support has further aggravated the problem. Hence, he announced cash incentives to football clubs of the state to the tune of 10 lakhs for those qualifying for the second division I League, 40 lakhs for those qualifying for I League, and rupees 1 crore for those qualifying for the Indian Super League. He further informed that a tender amounting to rupees 34 crores has been called for the upgradation of the Jawaharlal Nehru Sports Complex, which will include replacing artificial with natural turf and state-of-the-art upgradation of the overall facilities within the complex. An indoor multipurpose sports complex will also be constructed on the fifth ground, costing about rupees 100 crores. The complex will house facilities like swimming pool, basketball, tennis courts, and many other indoor games facilities. Such initiatives will also be taken in different districts so as to hone the skills of the youth of the state and give them a platform to showcase their prowess. Besides football, the government is also dedicated to uplift and support disciplines like boxing, archery, athletics, and others, which will go a long way in developing the sports persons of the state.
Banakaliang ka jonga ngala da propose bat kani kan urlong bat kani no nadu mentas ni bayar ki club ki bele kai second division yen ai shifau lak tingkah ya ka club ka ba qualify ka I League yen ai saupau lak tingkah ba ya ka club ka bele kai ISL yen ai shikuru tingkah kata kadai ka official ka ba announce nga matas ni nadu menta nang ni syakmat. Namar ni sutu syai ngau ipi ya ka jing kta ya ki klub ki bele kai kamtam football ka dega ka bakta adu kata ta ka jing lu ipi ngala panyai ngala don apo ka langsling ngani tu ipi nadien mengiwan apo ka Santosh Trophy tournament imeng ipen biang ipen bet ya Shillong lejong bat ngale ban simti ya ka kam jeng secretary ya ka langsing football club bat bila ban motor mengilekai Shillong Premier League ilut shikrur si season. Kejinglut ke belah tak ba. Ke Shillong lejong pengilekai I League Sausan krur ilut. Mo? Laban palat ya kata. Don kisnam ko palat isu peka. Tinai gini gila ban yang. Mdai ba ngikran ya kene mdai ba ngi ong ya kene bagi perkhatan mantan football na kaliang sorta. Ni perkhatlut ya baro kicing elekai baro ki disiplin. But so komen bayakan ni ke GN Complex Stadium. Ngila dep khat tanda ke long lai pusau kurur tengka ban upgradation renovation ya kene baro koi. But ya katai kemadan ke bapi ke kemadan ke basiang do artificial turf. Katai ingin selek do natural. Di dressing room, di bangin Cina, idei kat kumkas international standard. Nadong sedong yang penbiang lu. Ngila dep khot tanda, bat ngatrai next week. Ngin alat no, ya ni nikah. Mangidon kamban ya kat kumkapon ngin kintiu. Ngimla ban susah aju. Bat kabaso bangan ya tu ipi. Bosno tenang. Kalong bang ngila ya terang barok-barok. Bangindon ke indoor sports complex ke babian. Bat kata apa fifth ground kandon ka indoor sports hall multi purpose ngano kaba shongdor kumba shispa kuru hangta gin don lut kibubun ki discipline nadu swimming, basketball, table tennis, ki indoor game ki babun kindan. But kani kani ki chingshim kyang ong ipi naman ngi haban perkhat ya kapo.
The minister also shared words of encouragement for members of the Ryntih Sports and Cultural Club and reiterated the importance of team spirit and a fighting spirit to achieve their goals. Later, the minister also handed over a cheque amounting to rupees 2 lakhs for the Ryntih Sports and Cultural Club, which will be followed by the remaining 8 lakhs in due course of time.
Kumleshi bon sa yufi